So my wife asked me to do one thing today when she was gone out of the house, and that was to fill up the bird feeders, which you might think isn't that big of an ask. I really didn't either. But can somebody please tell me how someone can budget up this bad? Dude, I'm the one that did this, and I still don't even understand how it happened. And the worst part is, I only got one filled up. That means I'm a third of the way done, bro. I am sorry for anybody that has to deal with me in real life, because I exhaust myself sometimes, I swear. And can you hear the birds out there? I don't know if they're just pissed off and want their food now, or if they're just laughing at me because I look like such an idiot trying to fill up the bird feeder. Now I gotta fill up the rest of them and get this cleaned up before my wife gets home. Have I mentioned she's pregnant?